I've traded Forex and I've always made losses. Many losses. I've never made more money with Forex. This is Forex, part of Forex. This is synthetic indexes. So I was able to start making money when I started trading synthetic indexes and understanding how they actually move. So if you're looking to actually start making money, right, you want to actually start seeing progress, I recommend that you actually start trading these assets. If you've been following me, I prefer to trade these currencies because they are more volatile. These ones, I don't like trading them, all right, except for gold. Now, this is our YouTube channel. You've seen me posting these shorts, tutorials. I trade synthetic indexes. Some of you might not know what synthetic indexes are, but they are offered by Deriv. They are artificial markets, but then they are algorithm based, which means they are moved by the algorithm and they move in a constant rate. They are not affected by the news, which makes them a good market for you to actually trade as a trade to speculate on. Because if you're trading something that is influenced by the news, by the war, by the interest rate, NFP, is that something many governments are involved, like you can't be able to make something there. So you can't be able to even have a proper structure if you're trading market structure. Because as speculating, we must understand market structure. Now, I've traded these assets for the longest time, and I can say for more than 2 years now, right? For more than 2 years now, right? So if you're looking to start trading the synthetic indices, what you can do, you can also join our free market premium group that we have. I share daily market direction. If you're a struggling trader, but you must make sure that you open your trading account. Yesterday we were able to there are many traders who are requesting to join this group. This group is not for everybody. The only few selected qualified traders will be able to be added in this group. So we make profit. Sometimes we do make losses, and we do manage risk. I share tips as to my risk management, right? Even though that is not something that I have to do, but because of I care about traders, for them to be safe and be able to at least make something and not lose their hard-earned cash, all right? So sometimes we do make losses. I want you to take note of that, that sometimes we do take a loss. So now, with that being said, if you're looking to join this group, make sure that you go to our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader, you subscribe first thing, then you press here, you open a trading account with Deriv, or you can visit our website to open a trading account with Deriv. This is the broker that we use for you to actually open a trading account. So make sure that you use this website, you press this link here to open a trading account. We have tutorial also where I share how to open a trading account there. Now, once you have opened a trading account, you can visit our website, bozzatrader.com. Right? Once you visit our website, bozzatrader.com, you will join Group 2. Group 2, that's where you'll be able to get what? You'll be able to see Group 2, or you'll see another group here, says Premium Group. I'll add it. So make sure that you join there. Or you will request and then you text me so that I can actually walk you through the test to see if you qualify to be on the group. All right, that's all. If you're watching this video on TikTok, just make sure that you are following the right account of Bozza Trader, and you are following you press here on this link and you'll be able to see the WhatsApp group. It's that simple. So for me, trading Forex, I've been not profitable, never made more money that is I can do something with it. So I've been always struggling. If you're watching this video on TikTok, you will press here, open a trading account, and then you will see the WhatsApp group. I'll add it here. So make sure that you press it. If you don't say it, please communicate with me, chat with me. Feel free to do so. Now, I trust this will actually make things easier for everybody to understand that when it comes to trading, it's better to trade the indexes such as gold, all right, crypto, if you know how crypto works, futures, if you know how future works, stocks, if you know how stocks works. And these markets that that I'm referring here to you to here are markets that are volatile. So which means you have more chances to make money than losing it. I trust that makes sense for everybody. So instead of trading these currencies that are actually influenced by governments, that if they go to a certain direction, the governments, they're actually there to influence where they should go at a certain given time. This is what you have to know, right? And also, what will affect you is the risk. The margin will be more. So you have to understand that. I trust you understand. So if you have any questions, this is my real account, Bozza Trader. And please make sure that you join that group, you request, you chat with me. I love you all. And I would love to see traders making money. So this is how I was able to start making money in trading the market. And this is part of my experience, even though I will share more, but then this is part of my experience as to starting to make money. I started with $10 and I was able to grow by time to be able to manage such accounts and have no error, have no issue losing this or making 1,000, 2,000. So with that being said, I love you all. Stay blessed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you on another tutorial. And as always, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you share the channel with other traders there. Love you all.